The Phantom!
Phantoms and giant squirrels. My kind of camping trip.
Whatever it is, it sounds bad.
Everybody's gonna be so scared if this thing works.
Oh, it works all right.
Tornado emergency for Gallatin and Hendersonville. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:52 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over Hendersonville, or 10 miles southwest of Gallatin, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Gallatin and Hendersonville. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Gallatin and Hendersonville around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Green Hill, Bledsoe Creek State Park, and Cottontown. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 91 and 102. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
It might come as a surprise to you all, but even though I grew up in a tree, this is the first time I've ever